learners. Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University Oblida in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our second lecture titled What is Financial Environment? I have divided my second lecture into the following elements as follows. What is financial environment? What are the components of financial environment? Language activities, including building vocabulary, and finally, assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So, what is financial environment? A financial environment is a part of an economy with the major players being firms, investors, and markets. Second element, what are the components of financial environment? The financial environment is composed of three key components: financial managers, financial markets, and finally, investors, including creditors. Before last element, language activities building vocabulary. The word capital considered as a noun is money, uncountable noun, wealth or property that is owned by a business or a person and can be invested or used to start a business. For examples, Malek had various ideas on how to raise capital for the project. Our capital is all tied up in property. Last element, and please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.